Welcome to VirtualLab Fusion and our Getting Started tutorials. We are still working our way through all the calculators, and it is the turn of a modulation depth calculator. This is a useful tool for the design of diffractive optical elements. We consider a very basic notion. Given an incoming plane wave, which impinges normally on the interface between two media, we seek to know the thickness needed of a second medium to provoke a 2π phase shift on the propagating wave with respect to the propagation of the same wave if no such interface existed. We need then to provide the calculator with a vacuum wavelength of an incoming wave and the refractive indices of both the media involved for said wavelength. The refractive indices may be provided directly as a value by the user, but it is also possible to choose a medium out of a corresponding catalogue. If you wish to know more about how to handle the media catalogue in VirtualLab, we suggest you go to the pertinent tutorials, which are linked below. Once the input parameters have all been fixed, the calculator yields the result as modulation depth per 2π. However, the above refers always to a continuous situation. If quantisation levels are envisaged for fabrication, the highest present level never coincides with a phase difference of exactly 2π, as then it would have the same effect as the lowest level. Bearing this in mind, the calculator also provides results for this quantized situation, where the modulation depth of quantized interface gives the aforementioned highest present quantization level. The number of quantization levels considered for the fabrication of a DOE may be given as input in the corresponding box. Finally, we have so far only spoken about a DOE working in transmission. It is also possible to make the same calculations for a reflective DOE, with the difference that the substrate medium is then assumed to be a perfect reflector, and only the refractive index for the surrounding medium must be fixed. If you wish to know more about the workings of this calculator, you can click on the Help button, where the formulas employed in the computations are also available. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.